Hi, second grade. Welcome to Monday, week 3 of math. We're going to start with some telling time. So you're going to need to have your clock out in front of you. If you don't have your clock, go grab it and pause me. Are going to need that. So I want you to take your clock and see if you can set it to 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. And if I go too fast on these and you're not ready by the time I'm ready to show, pause the video, set your clock, and then press play. 4 o'clock. So your short hour hand should be here on the 4, and your long minute hand should be on the 12. So if you got your hour and your minute hand backwards, you didn't put 4 o'clock on your clock. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. We would write this time 4 and the 2 dots 0 0. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So if I saw this time, I wouldn't say it's 4:00. I would say it's 4 o'clock. Now I'd like you to take your clock and set the time that it would be in 1 hour. So if it is 4 o'clock, set your time to the clock that it's going to be in 1 more hour. I'll give you a second to do that. Remember, if I go too fast, just pause the video and you can catch back up. 4 o'clock. So 1 hour means that my minute hand is going to go all the way around to where it started. And when it does that, watch what happens to my hour hand. It moves too. Your clocks may not move automatically like that, and that's okay. But there's an hour. My minute hand's gone all the way around. What time is it now? Absolutely. 5 o'clock. Take a second and make sure that your short hour hand is on the 5 and your long minute hand is on the 12. 5 o'clock. So it was 4 o'clock and we moved ahead 1 hour. It is now 5 o'clock. So 4 o'clock, 1 hour, 5 o'clock. Okay, I want you to set your clock now to this time. This time I'm going to write it down. Set your clock to that time. Okay, I'm going to set mine while you're setting yours. Remember, if you need more time, pause the video. Your clock should look like this. How do we say this time? Absolutely. 11 o'clock. So my short hour hand is on the 11. My long minute hand's on the 12. We read 11 o'clock. Very good. All right, now I'd like you to set your clock to 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Three o'clock. Good. Yours should look like this. Your short hour hand is over pointing to the 3. Your minute hand is on the 12. 3 o'clock. And 3 o'clock would look like this when it's written. 3 dot dot 0 0 3 o'clock. Very good. Join me in just a few minutes for another math lesson.